Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Finally, we reached 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Congratulations to our small family. I hope we continue to grow bigger. Thank you so much for your support. So this is the first part of my room makeover vlog. I'm really sorry my room's so messy. That's also one of the reasons why I decided to do a room makeover. As you can see, I have a very huge wall with nothing on it, so I'll do something about that later. I bought a carpet from SM. I know it says 9,295, but it was on sale, so I got it for 50% less and paid only half the price. I bought this standing mirror at Mandaue Foam. It was on sale, so I only spent less than 1,000 pesos. It's over 5 feet tall and it's good for mirror selfies. I also bought this ottoman from Mandaue Foam and I really love it because the white fur seat is so comfortable to sit on. I've printed out some cute images that I got from Pinterest. I'll make a nice wall art on the huge blank space on my wall. I think it would be a nice backdrop for photos. This is a table lamp I got from Mandaue Foam as well. I actually bought it because I thought it was pink, but the box says it's light brown. It's still cute anyway. I ordered my bedding from Lazada. It's a complete set, king-size bedding with pillowcase, flat sheet, and fitted sheet. My throw pillows and throw pillowcases are also from SM. And this is now how my bed looks like. I've painted my brown bookshelf to white to match the color of my room. I've also bought some cute wooden picture frames and fake succulents at SM. bought this vanilla scented candle at SM, and to be honest with you, it really makes the whole room smell like vanilla. Like every time you enter the room, it just smells like vanilla. I really love it. In my opinion, it's really important that you have a nice room to go home to. Not just a room that looks nice and beautiful, but also smells nice and clean. After a long day at work or at school, you deserve to go home to a room where you can feel relaxed and just lay down and forget about all the stress. I hope this video inspires you to also revamp your room if you haven't yet. Do a little makeover. It doesn't have to be expensive. It could be budget friendly, but at the same time, very aesthetic. It can be minimalist, but still look nice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, comment down below your suggestions for my next vlog. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified for more videos from me. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe always.